Me, can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up.
Welcome back to my channel. It's Aniya Amore. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you subscribe and like if you like this video. Today this video is gonna be me preparing to travel to New York. So we're gonna go shopping, get my hair done and get my nails done and stuff like that. And I'm gonna take y'all on your journey. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. I didn't even let y'all know. It's like 8:30 in the morning, but my flight is tomorrow at like 7 in the morning, so we gotta get stuff done. I ain't even packed yet or nothing. I don't know why, but yeah. We probably have to go to the beauty supply store because my mom is gonna do my hair. Yeah. I can't even find my edge control. I think I left it at my grandma's house. So they're a better person than to do on camera. But I ain't tripping.
I'm a big boss and I say so. They'll wipe you down if I say so. Dracos on Dracos on Dracos on Dracos. 40s on 40s on 40s.
This one I bet you really jabba. Me, I no get time, I da ba da. Dada cover my face, calling me da ba da. Biggie man, we do get ba da.
Can't tell. I'm currently in the car eating. We just got some Chick-fil-A breakfast, and I think the next place we're gonna go is the mall. Yeah, the beauty supply store, and then Walmart. But I don't think I'm gonna get my nails done anymore because I don't think we have time. And the hairstyle I want is jumbo knotless. Yeah, so that's gonna take a while. I'm not ready for.
What's it gonna be? All depends. The captain, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. What's it gonna be? All depends. The captain, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. So anything you do, I try to do my way. Plenty survive with the face. Just to make your money day. But my people then go say I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want payment, I want enjoy, I want chop life, I want buy motor, I want build up.
Fit check. How much the shirt? How much the jeans? How much the jeans? How much the bag? Guys, I'm currently in Zara right now. I got a shirt. We're looking for Forever 21, but I don't see it. Yeah. Everything say American Eagle.
No, we don't. It's fine. This is not.
Struggle. They sell ice cream here?
I still want to know. Let me tell you. What's it go? G-Wagon, all the Bentley. The girl them ride the whip. I know people die for nothing. What's it go? G-Wagon, all the Bentley. The girl them ride the whip. I know people. Different things then happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night, 4 shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, port, I'm paddling. Sharashina fella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen dreams. When it comes to money, I they concentrate. Like I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a chef, now be head of state. But my people then go say, I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want payment, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it going? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the girl them ride the whip. I know we die for nothing.
And all those didn't have my size. Yeah.
I'm vlogging you.
Why?
Because I do want to. Stop acting like that, girl.
They got a cameraman everywhere.
Now you get used to it by then.
If you go to the mall and you're not getting pretzels, what are you doing? What are you doing? I'm currently in the beauty supply store. I just came from Walmart. I'm getting hair so that my mom can do some knotless. And I have to get some edge control. Yeah.
From our families to yours, gateservices.com.
I'm Penny. The kids are out for summer vacation. What a perfect time to work on that beautiful smile that can open so many doors for them. Or
I gotta get like 2 packs. Okay. Only $5, $6. I'm okay with that.
Well, duh.
I spent a lot of money today, y'all. Okay, hey y'all, not too much in my hair, but I just got back home from the beauty supply store. I'm about to get my hair braided. I just tried on all my clothes, and then I'm gonna show y'all me packing, and then I should be done. But yeah, I'm about to get some jumbo knotless braid because we needed something that was quicker than what I wanted to do originally. So yeah, y'all, I'm doing laundry before I get my hair done. I gotta go to my dad, so I gotta leave in like 3 or 4 hours. Mozzie got a new toy. He won't shut up. He's just been squeaking it for the past 20 minutes. These are all done. So I had to buy a new one today. Oh, it smells good. I ain't even smell it. It smells phenomenal.
Sweets. Oh, I missed one. Watermelon. What are you doing here?
Is it good? I know my work is good.
Can you find out more about Mr. Anderson?
Hey guys, I'm in the middle of washing my face, but I just remember I was doing a vlog. I forgot. I'm currently at my dad's house. My hair was done around like 9:30 something. So yeah, and then yeah, I just packed all my stuff. I didn't record that part because I forgot. But my flight is at 7, so we have to be at the airport like 4. No, like 5. I mean, so we gotta wake up like 4. So yeah. I'm washing my face. It's currently like 1:30. But yeah. Guys, I made it to New York. Me too. Zion's eating. He's trying to eat. I'm currently getting some fried crab. The flight was good. My ears was just hurting. Yeah. But I just slept because, yeah, and I was too tired to record anything. So I was sleeping before we even got in the air. Yeah. In New York or whatever. We're getting Chinese food. But we're about to go to the supermarket and get some juice and stuff. It feels like real like cold. Y'all, I know I didn't vlog that much today, but like I didn't sleep. I slept like for mad long. And then we like setting up this 90s birthday party thing. This 90s themed dance hall birthday party. And I'm gonna insert little clips, but I didn't really vlog too much today. But I'm gonna vlog more. I'm gonna vlog more like throughout the week, because I'm gonna be here for like 8 days. We're at this place called Best Chinese Restaurant. I'm about to go in the shower. It's like 3 o'clock in the morning and I have to wake up really early, so I'm definitely gonna vlog tomorrow. And then, you know,
Tell me why you're crying, how can it big you? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were jogging. Now you come into my yard uninvited. Come you see me on the edge, I'm enlightened. If the world was ending, would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, but I want you to be clear, yeah. Tell me now, I need you to be clear, yeah. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Man, you put the time on a rewind, yeah. Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that was fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as a rebel comes out. Then you call on me. When you call me, I come. But then you go again with your death, yeah. Open your mind to the sound of hear is silence. Turn it back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes. I'm really right now from the side now. Come on then, fall down when you see me. You know that I was there for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you.
Y'all watch Baby Baby Picnic? Yeah. Leave one of these second trend. Yeah. I want to thank y'all for coming out. I appreciate it. I'm the man in here. I see you know say we Misa, you know. I roll with the men, the fellows. Really to like the female them. Because for some reason I don't know why the females them don't like me. But so I go. It is what it is. Anyway, guys, thank you for celebrating my phone. Yes, he's a big man now, so yeah.
Yes, stop acting like it.
Me act all me feel.
Stop acting like it.
Me act all me feel, and me feel very, very young.
You're not 20 no more.
I'm not beating up for them young earlier. Talk truth.
Hey y'all, we in Manhattan. People dancing. I want to go make a TikTok.
This. How well did now when you broke this? How well did now when you broke this?
Yeah, who man? Action. Watch it. 2-1-2, what you want to? We call them the Rico Suaves. Brother, all the way from Harlem, New York. He's going in. You know, 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 yeah. New York City, if you see something you like, make some noise. Ladies, keep this in mind. That's how my brother takes a shower. Make some noise. Everybody clap those hands.
Hey y'all. Today is Tuesday. I leave in 2 days. We're in the city. We was watching this show in New York, but yeah, the post on YouTube.